everybody, this is VMP sir. I am going to teach today how to use is to make a sentence. I will tell in Telugu also. Some people are unable to speak properly for them. This is your book. This is book. This is your book. Is this your classroom? Is this classroom? Is he your brother? Other ni brother? Like that. Is she your mother? I mean mama? Like that. Is it biting you? Adi nenu karustunda? It means anything, animal or an insect. Like that we can use. Is Joy laughing? Joy nautunnada? Like that we can make it. These are some of the questions we can use with ease. Like, and here we can change the subjects. And here are some other things common and object. Like that we can make it. So use it. Common, how to translate English sentence to Telugu, Telugu to English. Okay, adapt it. Thank you very much.